Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create tables in Notion step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create both simple tables and advanced database tables so you can organize projects, track tasks, and manage information much more efficiently. One of the reasons Notion is so popular is because of how flexible and customizable it is. Tables are one of the most useful features inside Notion because they allow you to structure information clearly and keep everything organized in one place. Whether you're creating a study planner, managing projects, tracking expenses, or organizing a reading list, tables can make your workflow much easier. Let's start with the simplest option, creating a basic table. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you want the table to appear. Once you're there, click on an empty line and type a / followed by the word table. Notion will instantly display several table-related options. Select the Simple Table option from the menu. This creates a clean grid made up of rows and columns similar to a table you might create in a document editor. Simple tables are perfect for organizing straightforward information like lists, schedules, comparisons, or quick notes. When the table appears, Notion automatically adds a few default rows and columns. You can click into any cell and begin typing immediately. If you want to customize the headers, simply double-click the column names and rename them to something useful, like task name, deadline, status, or notes. You can also add more rows and columns by clicking the plus icons around the table. If you no longer need a section, you can remove it easily as well. The process is very beginner-friendly and doesn't require any technical knowledge. However, Notion also offers a more advanced option called database tables. These are much more powerful because they allow you to create dynamic systems for managing information. To create one, type / and table again, but this time select Table View instead of the Simple Table option. This creates a database table with advanced features and customization options. Database tables allow you to add properties such as dates, checkboxes, drop-down menus, files, and assigned people. For example, you can create a project tracker with deadlines, assign tasks to teammates, or track progress using status labels. To add a new property, click the Add Property button near the top of the table. Notion will then show different property types you can choose from depending on your needs. One of the biggest advantages of database tables is that you can switch between different views. The same information can be displayed as a calendar, Kanban board, or other layouts without losing your data. This makes it much easier to manage projects and visualize tasks. You can also use filters and sorting options to quickly find important information, especially once your database becomes larger. And that's it. You now know how to create both simple and advanced tables in Notion to organize your work more effectively. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.